We are getting grown and sexy today with this Idefine wig. Like, let me tell you, it's giving Betty Boop, Marilyn Monroe realness. Like, this is so cutesy. It's mature, and I think it really serves. It's such an easy wig to apply. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. Let's do it. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to get into this unboxing and install of this curly bob wig from Idefine. I'm going to link this wig in the description box. Idefine actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into it. It's giving Black Marilyn Monroe. Very old school Hollywood, like what? But yes, we are going to go ahead and get into this unboxing and install. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and get into this wig unboxing. Let's see what she's giving. Oh, that was easy. I like that. So, here's the box. Idefine. Bam, bam, bam. We've worked with them before, so their wigs are always super easy to put on, super quick and fast, and we love it. So let's see. So let's sit the wig to the side. Here you have two wig caps. You have the light skin wig cap. Bam, bam, bam. And then you have the dark brown skin wig cap. It also comes with a flyer to tell you how to take care of the hair and any Q&As, how long does it last, how to wash it, all of that on this flyer. So this is a really good beginner-friendly wig if you just want something quick to throw on, because that's how I am these days. These days, I do not want to do my hair a lot. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I've gotten lazy. I've gotten so lazy. But let's see what she's giving. So here it is. We got a nice bob wig, and then it's like that grown and sexy type of look. Like, I know that's right. Let's see. So we got a curly bob here. Like, we gotta shake it out and see what she's giving. This is super curly. It's giving Betty Boop. Is this Betty Boop? Okay, the girlies are gonna think I'm freaking Betty Boop with this wig. We got a nice little bang action going and a side part. Okay, we gotta put this wig on and go ahead and see what she's giving. Like, let me heat up my hot comb over here. Let's see. Oh, and let's look at the inside of this wig. So these are human hair wigs too, guys. So they are affordable human hair and super easy to put on. So here it is. So you get a nice amount of lace, nothing too crazy. You ain't got to work with too much, which is a blessing too these days. Like, I am lazy. So, lazy girl friendly wigs is what we love these days. So I'm just going to add a little bit of powder to the lace to make it a little closer to my skin tone. This is just any kind of pressed powder. We're going to go in with some more powder after I put the wig on, but this is just so it looks good, like immediately, right when I put that baby on. We'll see what it's giving, because this is very curly. Very curly, very short. Like, I do feel like Idefine is letting me try these wigs that, you know, I wouldn't pick out, but then it's like, okay, this is kind of cute. This is mature. This is grown. I kind of like it, but let's see what she's giving. Let's put this wig on. Oh my goodness, this is like a little pixie cut. Hold on, I wasn't ready for this short. Oh, this is a little pixie cut. Oh my goodness, Rihanna. Okay, let's put some more makeup on this lace. What, Rihanna, is that you? Let's add some more makeup. Like, hold on, this is like little pixie cut length. Like, okay, I knew it would be short, but hold up now. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Let's add some makeup to this lace. Like, hold on, we gonna get this looking cutesy. But like, wait, what? Who is this? Who is this, honey? Okay, we need this part to really pop, and I feel like it's gonna come together. Hold on. Like, here, trust me here. Oh, also a little baby hair would do the job here. Just like, one thing I always like with my side parts is a little baby hair. I don't care what anyone says. When it comes to a side part, a little baby hair goes a long way. So let's add a little baby hair to the side over here. So bam, see, that looks cutesy. Now it looks cutesy, bam. Just a little baby hair like that really made it eat. But let's add a little makeup in the part, because we do need the part to eat. And just pop, and we'll be just about done, guys. Like, that'll really be it. Hold on. Right. Okay, now it's cutesy. Okay, now I see the vision. I see the vision now, and I want to make sure this scoop is the way I need it to be. I need the scoop to be scooping here. Okay, now it's giving like nice pixie cut bob. Like now you see the vision. Now you see it. Now you see the vision, guys. Now you see the vision. Now I'm seeing the vision, guys. Now I'm seeing the vision. Like, super cutesy. Okay, now she's giving Black Marilyn Monroe. Like, what? Very cutesy. It's like glamorous. Old school Hollywood. Almost. Like, okay, that is cute. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, that is it for this wig install. Once again, this wig is from Idefine. I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye.